Okay. Now what?
Put gas in the car. Come
Okay.
on, this is not grown-up stuff.
So you're saying it's not too hard to do, huh?
No. The hardest part is getting started.
And getting the pump turned on?
Yeah, from the lady. Watch you tipping the camera out. This is the part that's different. It's called a slave pump. You have to start the other one first, and then go to one on the other side. And then the one that's on the other side here is the one that's tied to the other pump. So you don't want to shut that pump off until this pump side is full.
Okay.
So that one may shut off, but you don't want to hang it up until you're done with this one.
Okay, so you have to make sure this side is done filling also.
Right.
Okay.
And this side has to fill first, because if you shut that side off, this side shuts off.
Okay.
So this one shuts off first, then the other side. And you fill up. These really pumps have a lot of diesel coming out of them. So you kind of watch it. I like to top them off almost to the top, and then leave a little room for expansion, like that. Now we need depth, which we have to tell them to go at.
So Maddie and I are just waiting for Mark to come back. He went to get a receipt. The proper etiquette for truck stops is when you're done fueling, you pull your truck up so you're not in the space anymore, so the guy behind you can then pull up behind you. But right now there's 4 open bays here at the gas station, so you don't have to worry about that too much. So that's fueling at a truck stop. When we first started this, we were very scared about doing it. We didn't know what the rules were. We didn't know the best way to do it. And now it's just something that we do. It's not a big deal anymore. So that's what we do.
So I got the fueled up. Beth has the receipt. And then, when you get back in the truck, you get a rag to wipe your feet to get the diesel off it. So, we'll give you the camera.
Yep.
And then usually what you have to do is pull up. You see where these trucks are in front? Beth, can you turn the camera?
I already said that.
Oh, okay.
But yeah.
We're good.
I talked about pulling it forward.
Yeah, we got open pumps, so that's not an issue.
Okay, are we ready to go?
I'm just waiting for everything here to turn on. DEF is full. Tanks are full. Now, let me say one thing.
Yes.
This was an easy stop. The majority of the time, it does not go this way. The majority of the time, there's a large crowd, you have to wait in line, their processes are different, your credit card gets refused, you go in, you tell them to turn on the pump, you come back out, the pump isn't on, you have to go back in. It's really sketchy the majority of the time you do this. But this one went well. So here's one that went well, and now we're back on the road.